It's a very big programme to get through, so we'll make a prompt start if we can. For those who don't know me, I'm Mark Sanderson. I'm the Harbour Master and Chief Executive of the Family Harbour Commissioners. First of all, I'd like to say a very warm welcome to our Sustainable Port Seminar, and thank you very much indeed for all coming along and giving us the time to come to this. If I can do the health and safety bits first. I did research where the toilets were, just for everyone's convenience. If you go out through the door and up the stairs, there are ladies and gents toilets there. No one's told me there's any fire drills planned, so I'm assuming they're not. Any fire drills will treat, any fire alarms will treat seriously, and if we make our way out the exits, up through that door there or that door there, and there's plenty of room to congregate in front of the building while we sort everybody out. As some of you know, Falmouth Harbour Commission started a knowledge transfer partnership with Plymouth University back in the latter part of 2008, and there's going to be a talk on knowledge transfer partnerships later on, so I won't go into it, but essentially what it involves is the university partnering with an organisation and appointing a graduate with the idea of transferring theoretical knowledge from the university into the organisation. And I'm sure many of you will know our KTB graduate Harriet Knowles, who's essentially been working on that project since 2008, and is responsible for organising today's seminar, which, as part of the KTP, fundamental to the approach that we've taken has been to try to engage with our stakeholders, and that's been involved with both the sort of environmental communities, the environmental organisations, as well as the wider community, but also a very important part of that has been the educational establishments, and certainly the University of Plymouth, University of Exeter, the Falmouth Marine School have played a very big part in the way that we've tried to bring everything together in terms of providing proper research and data for the study of our KTP project. I think before I go any further, I need to make mention of the Falmouth Habitat project, and especially special thanks to Claire, Steph and Liz and all the students who've done such a magnificent job in setting up the exhibition. I've had a quick look around this morning. I'm sure anybody else who's seen it will have to be very impressed with the sort of range and quality of the projects that have been put together and the outstanding enthusiasm of the presenters at the stand. So I think it's been a huge effort, and thank you very much indeed for doing that. I'd also like to give a especially warm welcome to our partners from Portonova. This is a European project looking at trying to assist ports with the implementation of the Water Framework Directive, and we have partnered a number of European establishments looking at the best practice models that we can to try to assist ports in the future with implementing this directive. Many of them have had very long and arduous journeys to get to Falmouth, and can look forward to the same tomorrow when they go back. And I'm sure we wish them a very warm welcome, and hope that the seminar today adds value to their visit to Falmouth. I think that Harriet's arranged an absolutely spectacular programme in terms of the wide-ranging subjects on offer today, and I'm sure that it's going to promote a lot of interest, a lot of discussion. There's a buffet lunch that's been arranged for 1 o'clock. It gives everyone a chance to mingle, get to know each other, and to tour the exhibition stands again. So I don't think I've got anything else to say on the introduction, but welcome again, and I'll pass over to the first speaker.